Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back in the house. Well, first let me talk about these. Let's talk about the Ocday. Right now, this is a straightforward video. We're just gonna go ahead and no editing, no tricks, no nothing. And from a professional truck driver to a professional drone pilot, and I already did a video on these right here. And as you can see, what I use is my Ocday. This is a propeller balancer for the hobbyists. You know, this are for this is a great tool for your planes, aircrafts, helicopters. And I did balance my propellers, as you can see. You know, both ways they are well balanced. And now let's talk about these right here, which is the low noise propellers. And we gotta go ahead and test these out to see how good they are, to see if they are balanced, because everybody talks about them propellers, but nobody talks about if they being balanced or not. So hopefully we can get them balanced, and there we go. Perfect, fits perfectly well. Yep. And let's see how balanced they are. So we're gonna go ahead and test them out. See? That means it's a little heavier here. And then we try it this way. That means it's heavier here. Okay? These are not factory balanced. And then here we go. That means it's heavier here. That's not bad at all. Try it this way. That's perfect. It's just they heavier here by a little bit. It's not bad. Actually, not bad at all. I'll buy it. See that? So we're gonna go ahead and test them out one more time. Again, just a straightforward video. Actually, they're not that bad. A little heavier on that side. See it? That means that it's heavier on this side. That's what that means. So we put it there. It's not bad. It's heavier on this side. They are not balanced. Yep, they are not balanced. And let me try another one here. If I could just here we go. They are not factory balanced. See, nobody talks about that. Nobody talks about that, but everybody talks about the propellers. But I do. And you know, because you put in stress on the motor. So see that? They're not balanced. It's heavier on that side. Let me try it. It's good that way. That means that the hub, it's a little heavier inside the hub. Now when you put them diagonally, see that? They're a little heavier on that side. So what I will do is I will use the thin sandpaper, and I would just hit it on the back of it, you know, just to balance them out. That's what I'll do. See? They are not balanced, but they're not that bad at all. See that? It's not bad at all. We just turn off this. Yeah, I was doing a little test here, but yeah, see that? They are not balanced. It's not bad. Actually, not bad at all. Make sure it's right. Yeah, I'll let them go. They're not that bad. See that? Just a little heavier on the hub there. Yeah, I'll let them go. Just a little heavier. But what I normally do is I just hit it with the sandpaper a little bit on the back, and that'll work. All right, so there it is. And this is the Ocday. I got this from eBay for like 32 bucks. And DJI propellers, which are the low noise, I got them for 20 bucks for 4 of them. And yeah, these took about a month to get here. So that's all I have for today. So don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. God bless you all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.